Let's make a gluten-free carrot cake. May have debuted on Nailed It, looks like, but it's still good. There's some almond flour, added some salt and some baking powder, and some cardamom and some cinnamon and some ginger. And then add some baking soda and whisk that together. Then put 5 eggs in a mixer and add 5/4 cup of brown sugar, and you're gonna beat that together. And you're gonna beat that together a lot. It's gonna take about 7 minutes of beating to get to where you need it to be. It's gonna have a lot of air in it. It's gonna be tripled in volume. Then take you some coconut and add some oil and some carrots to it and some vanilla, and mix that together. And the recipe will be in the description if you want to repeat this. It is good. And then that's the tripled in volume eggs. And just add the flour mixture and the carrot mixture alternately. And you got to do that slow. Do it slowly so that all that air you whipped into it doesn't escape. You just want to stir it. You don't want to rapidly beat it or anything. Just take your time and get it all in there. And once you get it all in there, you can prepare 2 cake pans. Put some parchment paper in the bottom of them, like that. And then add the batter. And you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 36 minutes or so, or until a probe comes out clean. And there they are. Let them cool. Let them cool on a rack. When they get cool, you can pull the parchment paper off, and that's kind of satisfying. And then you can make an icing with some cream cheese and some butter that's been softened. And just beat those things together until they're nice and incorporated. You can add some yogurt. That's 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt. And then you can add some vanilla, about a teaspoon, I guess. And then add some powdered sugar, because we're making an icing. And once you get that icing made, you can put it on your cake that has completely cooled, and you nailed it.